Hi everybody. Welcome back to another Music Theory Thursday. Today we're going to be talking about melody, and we're going to be taking a look at what melodies look like when notes are put on a staff. So remember the elephant song, Monter sur un éléphant? Don't worry, we don't have to sing French today. But we're going to be thinking about what the melody is for that song. Monter sur un éléphant. The melody goes bum 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 bum. Every melody has its own shape, and that's kind of the shape of the elephant song. So can you use your hand like this, or maybe just your finger? And we're gonna go bum 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 bum. Can you do that with me? Bum 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 bum. So the melody has these notes that are sometimes jumping and leaping and sometimes just kind of going down one step at a time. Let's go into our Bitmoji classroom now. So there's our Bitmoji classroom, and I put a staff on the board. A staff has how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. We're going to talk about those lines a little bit later on and how we can figure out what the notes are when they're on each line in space, but that's not today's lesson. Today's lesson is on the shape of melodies. This is the first part of the melody if we were just to look at the shape of what the melody is doing. So we've got the first note kind of in the middle, and then it jumps up. Bum 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 bum. That's the shape. Okay. Can you sing that with me just on bum bum? Ready, go. Bum 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 bum. Now let's look at the next part of the melody. We've got a couple skips. Bum 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 bum. Can you sing that with me? Bum 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 bum. Now the next part looks just like the beginning. Bum 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 bum. Here's the ending. Bum 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 bum. And that's the whole song, just looking at what it looks like if we were to put notes on the staff for each note that we're singing. Let's go back to the beginning. Just sing on bum together. Ready, go. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Nice. So we're just going to take a look at the very ending. Bum 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 bum. See how it's going up one at a time? It's going up by step is what we call that. When it just moves one note right to the next note, that's called moving by step. Okay, now let's jump back to bum 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 bum. That part of the melody is doing what we call a skip, because instead of going to the very next note, we're going to skip that line and we're going to jump to the next space. And then this one is going to skip the space and jump to the next line. Bum bum, skip. Bum bum, skip. So melodies mostly are steps and skips put together to make it interesting. So just for fun, we're going to play around with where the notes are. And instead of making it go up the scale, we're going to make it go down the scale. So instead of the notes going up at the end, what if it did this? Bum 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 bum. Now we're going to go lower. Bum 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 bum. It's not the same song, is it? So keeping the melody intact is really important. All right, that's the end of our Thursday lesson. I hope you had an amazing second week of school, and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye-bye.